you know, and I think the best sense you get is from the ground, जहाँ ट्रैक्शन ज़्यादा है, इसका मतलब पार्टी वहीं जीत रही है. सो लेट मी स्ट्रेट अवे गो टू दीपक फर्स्ट. दीपक, लोग पहुंच गए हैं AICC?
So they've been here since before 6 a.m. We arrived here to celebrations that had already begun. Even now, I don't know if you can hear it, but there is the din of crackers and doles and nagaras in the faint distance. There are conches. Shanknath is happening right outside. We had to come in because it was causing a lot of chaos outside for the traffic, and because of safety issues, we were asked to move in. But there's definitely, you know, a sense, a vibrancy here. People who know that they're winning, and they're here to celebrate it.
Okay. निवृत्ति, बीजेपी में भी क्या हाल है? यहाँ तो थोड़ा माहौल टाइट हो सकता है.
जी, बीजेपी में माहौल इस वक्त तो टाइट है, बट इफ यू रिमेंबर आई वाज टॉकिंग अर्लियर आल्सो टू द अदर एंकर दैट बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम व्हेन इलेक्शंस national elections were happening, the celebrations were happening at BJP office in the first half of the day, and the Congress office was completely silent. Congress head office was completely silent. There was no celebration at all. But this time it is otherwise. The celebrations in the first half of the day are happening in Congress office, and BJP, as you can see, some apart from some media persons and some of the spokespersons and very few spokespersons, I should say, they have arrived here, but nothing much is happening as of now in BJP office. But if you remember what happened in Lok Sabha elections, the celebrations shifted in the second half to the office of headquarter of Congress office, and BJP office was silent in the later half of the day. So let us see what happens in this election, because earlier when Lok Sabha elections happened, the exit polls suggested something else and the results were something else. So this time around, when the exit polls are suggesting a Congress win in Haryana elections, and a kind of a more number of seats for Congress.
Thank you, Nivriti. Thank you so much. Two important leads have